Okay, so now we have understood all the various combinations of if statements, right? If we have seen, if else we have seen, and nested if also we have seen. Instead of writing multiple if conditions, we can make use of switch statement. Switch is very simple. You can avoid multiple if conditions. That is what we are going to learn in this lesson. Okay, so let's create a new class with the name switch example. Okay, so if you see here, yeah, you write the main class. Okay, so for example, I'm asking you to print if the number is 1, print Sunday. If the number is 2, Monday. 3, Tuesday, something like that if I ask you. Okay, so number is 1, Sunday. 2, Monday. 3, like that you wanted to display all the days. So how you are going to write? You are going to, so far what you have learned, you have learned the if conditions, correct?
Yes, sir.
So you are going to declare the number, and then you will try to display if x is equal to 1, then display print system.out.println Sunday. If that is 2, then system.out.println, like that. That means you are going to check nested if conditions, and you will pass the value and they'll try to identify. Can you write the program using if condition? Here we just wanted to see, instead of switch first, I wanted to print 1 2 3. Yeah, you just pass one value. Yeah, right. Num is equal to 1, and if num double equal to 1, then what are you going to do? System.out.println, this is Sunday. Yeah, yeah, that's fine. Anything is okay. It's Sunday. Now, what I wanted to check, if it is not 1, if the value is 2, inside that only you just write it. Or else you can write there also. First you will check 1, after that you will check 2, after that you will check 3. So inside, after the system.out.println statement, press enter. If num double equal to 2, that means first condition is correct, then it will go and check the second condition. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Monday. And the last one is one more thing, copy paste. So what you are going to do is, you are going to write one more condition there on the 13th line at the end, else. 13th line, else not a system.out.println, not a valid number. Okay, we need to correct this. We will see, okay, how we are going to correct this, how do we get the output, all those things we'll see now. So now you have given the input as 1, right? So in the sixth statement, sixth number, line number 6, you have provided the input as 1. Now if you run the program, see what is going to happen. Run the program. What is the outcome?
Sunday.
Did you run the program?
Yes, sir. It is running. 1 second, sir.
I don't see the output. Just
Uh, yes, sir. It is building. 1 second.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if you see, that is Sunday, right? So now if you give the number is equal to 2 on top, you just give integer as 2. See what is happening.
Nothing is printed, sir.
What happened? What is wrong here?
Uh, Here number equal to 2, so it doesn't get into this total block, sir.
Correct. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
But what I want you to do is, I want you to check whether the number is, if that is not 1, can we use else if condition instead of this way? Instead of nested if, we can use else if, right?
Yes, sir.
So there you just write else if in the ninth line, make it as ninth line, ninth line, ninth line, else if, you just write the condition num double equal to 2. Similarly, write else if for this also. You got it right? Why we are changing this?
Yes, sir.
So there also you just write else if. So you need to make sure that you are arranging the brackets and ending the if else statements properly. Okay. And finally, at the end, you are going to make that statement saying that invalid input. So don't have that else only for that. You make it at the end. Anything is fine. I'm okay. That's also fine. So now, if you see, there is one additional. Mm, are we good? Remove one bracket at the bottom. Save it. Now run the program. Okay. Did you see Monday now?
Yes, sir.
Now change the number to 3. It is printing Tuesday.
Yes, sir.
Now change the number to something like 7. Run the program. You will see not a valid number. You're clear?
Yes, sir.
If you wanted to add number 4, number 5 also, what you have to do? You have to copy paste from 11th line, right? 11th line from the bracket. Yeah, from the bracket onwards. Copy completely. Yeah. And then you are going to write num is equal to 4, num is equal to 5. All those things you are going to write, right? Correct? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we don't need to do everything. So instead of doing this way, because just now you realized, right? So where to remove the bracket and how to do that, and which if is ending at what place. So this kind of confusion will be there when you are using multiple if conditions. To avoid that, switch case has come into picture. Okay. So how we are going to do the switch case? So first you write the syntax for switch case. Syntax for switch case, you just remove everything. Okay, that is not required for us. Yeah, you can comment. Switch case syntax. First you have to write switch small case letters, switch, switch, and you will be writing the expression in that. Okay, expression. And then you are going to have enter. uh, you give a flower bracket. Okay, give a flower bracket. Yeah, case, case, case 1 colon, case 1 colon, enter. Just give the comment saying that enter, 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 no, enter, press enter there. Don't give the comment there. Enter. uh, you just give the comments now. Code block, whatever the code you wanted to write, you have to write here. Okay, case 1, whatever the case you wanted to check. And then you will have to use a break statement at the end of each case. Okay, what is break we will discuss later. You just write break, break, then semicolon. break semicolon. And now you have to do case 2. Do the same thing. Case 2, copy paste the 3 lines whatever you have written just now. Case 1 code block, copy the entire thing, copy, yeah, paste it here, make it as case 2. Like that you will be writing all the cases. Write one more case 3. This code is very simple compared to your if conditions, right?
Yes, sir.
The last one you have used else and it is not a valid number, that's what you have written, right? When that is not satisfying the conditions. For here in the switch case you are going to make use of default. Okay, enter. If none of the cases are working, then you are going to make use of default, default, and then you are going to use colon and then code block. Enter that code block. You no need to have break statement here. So this is the syntax for switch case. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we will write the same program using switch method. Okay, just write the code, enter. Switch, whatever you have written, right? You have written integer number, right? Int num is equal to some number. Enter, enter. Switch, within the brackets what is your condition? Num. Got it? Flower bracket start and enter. Case 1, case 1 colon enter. System.out.println Monday, double quotes Monday or Sunday. You written Sunday, right? Just write Sunday. Follow the same thing whatever we've done for that. Same copy paste. Case 2 Tuesday. Like that you write for 3 and then last one default. 2 Monday. Case 3 Tuesday and then default. Last one default, default colon system.out.println statement not a valid number. Okay, so now if you look at, we did not add break statement. Okay, so don't add break statement at this point of time and try to run the program and see what is happening. Run the program. You have given input as number is equal to 1. So what it is printing? It is printing Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, not a valid number, correct?
Yes, sir.
If you give number 2, num is equal to 2, run the program. It will print from Monday to not a valid number, right?
Yes, sir.
If you give 3, what will happen? It will print Tuesday and then not a valid number, correct?
Yeah, yes, sir.
So what is happening? How the program is working? First, whatever the input num is equal to whatever you are giving, that is checking using switch condition, correct? So first, switch will take your input and from there it will go and check each and every case where that num is matching with the case. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
But what is happening here? Whenever your case matches, your script or your program is not coming out of the uh, program switch case. That's the reason it is going and checking for the next one and also printing the value even though that is true or false, right? So what you have to do is, if you add break statement, right? So after every statement just add break. That means if that is satisfied, you no need to check anything come out of the switch case. That is the meaning of break. Clear? Did you understand what is break?
Yes, sir.
You are telling the system, if the condition is true, come out of that particular switch case. You no need to check the other cases. You no need to print the other statements. Now try to do the same thing. Give one. What it is printing now? If you see, only it should print Sunday.
Yes, sir.
So what the break statement is doing? Break statement is coming out of the switch block. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
No, sir, it's clear.
If at all you write the case value which is not available, you have case 1, case 2, 3. When I say case 1, 2, 3, the value of the num, okay, case after whatever the number you have, right, that one is num value, okay, num value 1, 2, 3, three values are there, right? If I give something like 4, just give 4 and see, input as 4, num is equal to 4. Yeah, now it should go to the default block. It should say not a valid number. Clear?
Yes, sir.
If you give 5 also, it will be a default case. It will go and print the default value. Clear? Any questions?
No questions, sir.
So this is how our switch case will work. Any confusion?
No, sir, it's clear.